Perched high on the hillside where land meets sea, directly above the highly sought after Billionaires Beach, lies Villa Splendido. My name is Erik Conover, and I'm going to take you on a tour of this one-of-a-kind mega mansion in Malibu, California. The villa has 5 bedrooms, over 12,909 square feet, including a full-service spa and wellness center. Villa Splendido is listed exclusively by Douglas Elliman, asking just under $50 million. Now, if you're already subscribed to my channel, you know that in this series, we tour some of the most incredible luxury properties around the world. And we have some pretty crazy places coming up in future episodes, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. To enter Villa Splendido, you go through a private driveway right off the PCH. Now, this is a dual gated entry, so there's double the security, and the property is 17 acres of land. You can see from this drone shot just how expansive this property really is. Very windy today in Malibu. Entering through the front door, let's actually shut this so the wind doesn't blow the door open. Welcome to the main floor. It's interesting because the front of this house is very low key, it's very minimal design. There's a nice little walkway that leads you down with a fountain, and it takes you right into the front door. The first thing you see when you walk into this mansion is an expansive view of blue. You just see the Pacific Ocean right through your living room. There are no walls in this house. It's just floor to ceiling glass that opens up indoor, outdoor living at its finest. This is the entertaining floor. Walking in, this is the main living area. You have a nice seating area. Then you walk over this way towards the left. Yet again, another seating area. This fireplace is totally for the aesthetic. It doesn't give off heat, but it does change color. But the coolest thing, you walk over this way, and they call this the James Bond office. This is the executive desk. This is the place where you do your massive deals. I mean, the person who purchases this place is going to be a billionaire. You have your big meeting, and as soon as you finish the deal, with the flick of a switch, your James Bond office opens up a hidden bar with all the top shelf liquor to have a nice celebratory toast to closing the deal. Who has this in their house? And another very cool detail on that top shelf there are actually fossils that were unearthed when they were building this property, meaning that the sea level at one point was where we are today, which is just about 500 feet in elevation. And I think that's pretty unique that you have a piece of this land now displayed in your office. Now, leaving the office, we make our way into the dining room area. The theme of this mansion is opulent to the max. You have the glass table with seating for 12. Then along the far wall, you actually have a wine storage unit for 300 bottles of wine. And like I said, this place comes fully furnished. So all those bottles of wine come with this mansion, ready to move in. You could have your dinner party tonight if you wanted, if you're watching this and you want to buy this place. This could be you. From the dining room, we make our way to the centerpiece of the house. This is the atrium. We'll get to this a bit later. As you can see here, just this stairwell with this incredible lighting fixture. But like I said, a bit later. For now, let's head into the kitchen. This kitchen is custom to the max. Case in point, right here we have a custom food prepping station. Ice cream night, guacamole, you name it, you can prep it right here in your very own kitchen. We have the induction stovetop, huge space for making whatever meal you want for entertaining guests. The coolest thing about this kitchen is this window opens up entirely. So if you are living here, most likely you're not gonna be washing your own dishes, but if you are, you have the most incredible view of the Pacific Ocean right from your sink. This is the coolest thing I've seen in the kitchen. Making our way down this far wall here, additional chilled wine storage. I mean, everything in this kitchen is top of the line. This home is so magical. There's even rainbows just throughout the home. I don't even know what's making this rainbow, but it's just there. It's there, and that's a good sign. Making our way back through this kitchen even deeper, we have the chef's kitchen. So if that kitchen out there wasn't enough, if it wasn't impressive enough, you come back this way, you have the 6-burner stovetop, the pot filler with this nice marble backsplash. To top this off, we even have a legitimate restaurant refrigerator. So large that you can actually go in your refrigerator. Don't lock me into your Hannah, please. But I've never seen that in a home. I think every home should have this, is a breakfast bar. The place where you can wake up all groggy, come and have your coffee. Right off of the kitchen, we have the informal family room. I think it's a nice touch that makes this kitchen really feel like a home where you can have the cooking, the preparing, then the relaxing right next door to it. So I mentioned that the first floor, the entry floor, was for entertaining. Let's head upstairs to the living quarters. Getting to the second floor, we have the option of taking the elevator or going up the staircase. Let's go up the staircase. Right off of the stairwell, we enter the master wing of this mansion, and the first thing you see is blue, Pacific blue, as far as the eye can see. This is the kind of bedroom where you wake up, you walk out onto this terrace, and you feel like the king of the world. You are overlooking Malibu, you're over Billionaires Beach. Walking into the master bathroom, you are greeted with the centerpiece, which is a massive soaking tub in the center of this bathroom with views of the Pacific. You have dual floating vanities on either side. So if you have a home like this, you're going to have a closet that rivals most luxury showrooms, designed to show off all of your clothing items, your jewelry. It is seemingly endless. Leaving the master bedroom, we walk down to the guest wing of the mansion, where there are not one, but 3 additional bedrooms. Now 2 of these bedrooms are connected by this outdoor space with views of the pool and the grass down below. All 3 of these bedrooms have fully customized bathrooms, and the 3rd bedroom at the end of the hall has a view of the mountains. And additionally, on top of all the guest bedrooms, at the end of the living quarters hallway, we walk out this door here to the guest house. The guest house is totally separated from the rest of the main house, meaning you have to walk outside to this nice patio area around this way. This right here is the guest home. It's complete with a nice living area, TV. It has a full kitchen, full bathroom, and 1 master bedroom. Just for your guests, the type of place where you put the in-laws, you put the cousin from out of town that you haven't seen in 10 years, just so they're still living in that comfortable lifestyle. They don't have to stay in a hotel. They can stay right here on your property, just outside of your house. Leaving the guest house, let's head back to the main house, head down the stairs to the lower level, which is the wellness center. Every time I walk down here, I have to just stop for a second because it is so impressive. This is like Tony Stark's design studio in Iron Man. Right in front of the stairs, you have this modern designed pool table. Off to the right, you have a full-on movie projector hanging from the ceiling. The most impressive part of this first room on the wellness floor is the bar looks like it is out of a high-end restaurant or hotel. This is the largest bar in a home I've seen in my entire life. I keep mentioning this, but this place is ready to move in right now, meaning everything that we're seeing in this room, all the staging, all the bottles of alcohol, the candles, every single thing is included in that $50 million price point. Down this hallway, we have the indoor jacuzzi complete with skylight. I keep saying I've never seen this in a home because this home truly is a one-of-a-kind. When have you ever seen a jacuzzi that looks like it belongs in a world-class spa in your home? Across from the jacuzzi room, we have the actual fitness center. Currently, there's only a few treadmills in here, but pretty much you could put any gym equipment you want in this room. And, you know, some homes will have a massage bed and say they have a massage studio. This is a fully dedicated room with a multi-$1,000 massage table, complete with an iPad at the bottom, so you can work, you can entertain yourself while you are getting your full body massage. Additionally, down the hallway on the wellness floor, we have the large cedar sauna, complete with the steam room. The entire floor is dedicated for you to come down here after a long day of working and fully escape while being at your home. The most iconic part of this villa is the outdoor space overlooking the Pacific Ocean. We have all this AstroTurf out here. I mean, just look at this behind me. It's one of those examples where words don't even do this justice, how beautiful this property is. And this right here, you can't really put a price on, but if you could put a price on it, it'd be close to $50 million. What Malibu mansion wouldn't be complete without the infinity pool? And all the way at the far end of this outdoor space, we actually have the outdoor kitchen, which is complete with a pizza oven. Like I said, we're right above the iconic Billionaires Beach. So instead of going down to Billionaires Beach, we have our own private white sand beach right off of our infinity pool, so you don't even ever have to leave the villa. So comment down below your favorite part of this Malibu mega mansion. I want to thank you again for watching, and with that, I will see you in the next episode.